How to hack a Snapchat account. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hack a Snapchat account. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So this video is basically for educational purpose, so don't misuse the video. The first method that hackers use to hack your account is phishing. So, what is phishing? The hacker send you a phishing link. For example, you may get some kind of links on your chats. So, you can simply go with chats, and under your chats, you may get some links, right? So, if you get any kind of link from an unknown person, and as soon as you click on that link, Snapchat's login page gets open, and the user think that it's the login page. And as soon as he or she enters their credentials like email, password, username, on this kind of fields, and they are directly sent to the hackers, and then when he presses the login button, then they can easily get access to all the informations of your Snapchat account. Also, the second way the hackers uses is simply you can it's the same kind of phishing links only, but it is quite different from that, which is if you open any kind of Google or browser and you browse phishing links, then you will get different kinds of phishing links which are sent to you by hackers. So as soon as you open those kinds of links, your Snapchat accounts will be get hacked because there are some service scripts at the back end of the link which enter your mobile or computer, which steals your password and all the sensitive content. And these are the ways that hackers use to hack your Snapchat account. But make sure you protect your account following different kinds of methods like using a strong and unique password. Always create a password that is long, complex, and unique to the Snapchat. You need to make sure you avoid using easily guessable informations like your birthdays or names. So the other method you need to follow is simply enabling the two-factor authentication, which will activate an extra layer of security. For that, you need to hop into Snapchat, log into your account, and head to Bitmoji at top left corner of the screen. Now you have to choose the gear icon at top right corner to access settings. Scroll and choose two-factor authentication. Now tap continue button and choose the way to receive your verification code, either authentication app or SMS verification. You can set it up automatically or manually or find an app and easily enable two-factor authentication. Once done, other thing you need to make sure that you regularly monitor the login activity. If any unfamiliar devices are there, you simply need to log out those and make sure you always update to the latest version to protect against vulnerabilities. So by following this step, you can better protect your Snapchat account from being potential hacking attempts. So hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.